I chose to answer the question, should schools teach the skills necessary to succeed in life, like outside of just the basic curriculum information required for the course, like math, English, whatever, to pass the standardized tests? So should they teach about study and work habits, budgeting, organization, social interaction, basic nutrition, cooking skills, knife skills, childcare, sewing, how to get a job, how to do interviews, things like that? So in my opinion, schools should help children learn what they need to do to become successful, fully functioning, independent adults. So I found an article about a school in New York, thanks to Brendan for suggesting the article. But it talked about how this school taught those things. It was taught them to 7th graders, so I believe they could teach them like multiple times throughout school. But so it taught those skills important to becoming a successful adult, and the teacher had gotten really positive feedback, especially during the pandemic when children found out, hey, my kid knows how to use a colander, and that's awesome. So I think that, yeah, schools should teach those skills because it's at least partially the school's responsibility to make sure the children become independent, functional adults. And you need to know how to cook, and you need to know how to be healthy, and how to safely use a knife, and how to interact with other people, like interact with other children, and like how to get a job. So yes, I believe schools should teach those things.